grease this one, I can tell. Maybe he just found his calling in life. That mountain behind the clouds there, it's the Haleakala volcano. It's 10,000 feet, 3,300 meters above sea level. The top is coming right out of the ocean. You can drive up to the top. We went up there for sunrise. Pull up, Ryan. It's pretty amazing. It's 0 Celsius on the top if you're in Hawaii. Level of ground. That's it. Right. Actually a pretty easy approach. Just sometimes it's windy. Nose up. Just keep flying those flight directors so you're good. Let's go flaps 1, Sergey. Flaps 1. Big turn coming up.
Yeah, it's like a 90-degree turn over here.
Just follow your flight director, it'll command you when to turn. That's why we slow you down before the turn. It's a long final, so you got room to correct. Nose up, nose up. Come left more. And nose up. Oh,
bank angle, bank angle.
Whoops, whoops, whoops.
Bank angle, bank angle.
It's just making too much credit.
Nose up.
Yeah, this thing keeps on losing altitude.
Yeah, because when you turn tight, the wing doesn't produce nearly as much lift. So when you bank tight, you got to pull up at the same time.
Okay, that makes sense.
Let's go flaps 5. Oh, you took the auto throttle on?
I tried to push it because I thought that we were going to
Yeah. Just center up the flight directors now. Gentle, Brian. Don't oversteer it.
I think we have to turn on the auto throttle.
If he's stable on the flight directors, the auto throttle keeps up. The only time auto throttles really have a trouble is if you're doing wild gyrations.
Yeah, I might have been doing that.
Yeah, when he's stable on it, it's fine. It's holding his speed very well. Okay, glide slow, hit approach mode. Okay. Just fly those flight directors, right? Smooth, slow, and small, remember, buddy?
Yep.
Level out. Slowly. That's it. Nose up. Nose up a bit. Let's go to speed intervene. And set 170. Good. Let's go flaps 15.
Flaps 15.
A little bit turbulence too, that's why you're bouncing around here.
Oh, okay.
That's normal because the wind's coming over the mountains and that, it gets bumpy around here sometimes.
But lower the speed a little bit.
Power's coming in. Slight left, Ryan. Slowly, slowly. far yet.
Too focused on
12
this,
miles back.
This dot.
Just do what you're doing right now. I'll tell you, when the runway's nice and clear, we'll get you to go visual.
Full flaps.
You're 15, you're okay. Let's go gear down.
Gear down. So your aircraft will have the tendency to nose down.
It's had the tendency this whole time to nose down.
Oh yeah? So you
I've been like fighting
a
to
little bit of depth trim, click down a couple of times, and he's not having to pull so much. No more. Pull together, yeah. There you go. Okay. Good, Ryan. You're right on the localizer glide slope. You can lower the nose just a touch. And you can see the runway, Ryan. See that white light there off to your left a little bit? Just in the middle? Yeah. That's where you want to aim. Remember, you want to put the runway in this area here on the glass because it's a pointy nose, right?
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, let's get 9 miles back. Just smooth, small inputs. Don't oversteer.
Radio Alpha.
Just tell when we land, you do the rudders on the steering of the runway.
Okay, sure.
And I'll tell Ryan to release the yoke when he clutches down.
Sure.
Because most people react to steer by hand, by instinct. I always miss it off the runway. Okay, let's slow him down to 142. Nose up and touch, Ryan. Okay.
We're slowing down, it's going to like have the tendency to nose down. Flaps 25, and it's going to like dive down, so be ready.
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
You're good, Ryan. Excellent.
He's doing amazing.
Yeah, we will land. Right, now it's on.
Flaps 30.
I am not as comfortable.
30.
Yeah.
Just same story. It's going to have like
Yeah.
the tendency to nose down. Like, you ready? Perfect.
Nice and small now. Small inputs, let the plane come. There we go. Looking good. Wind's almost right on the nose, which is good.
More flaps.
No, 30 is fine. That's landing flat.
We're going to land on 30.
30 is normal. The only time we use 40 is a snow-covered runway or it's short field. This runway's 7,000 feet long.
Okay.
It's okay. Looking good. Just nice, smooth, tiny inputs, tiny corrections. A little bit to the right, right? You see the runway, right?
And that's it there.
I want you to watch the runway now.
Line slow.
And look out the window, Ryan.
Line slow.
And it's just past the
Line
factory,
slow.
the runway. It's right there.
Line
Oh,
slow.
Okay, just watch the runway now.
Line slow.
The nose up
Line
just
slow.
a touch.
Line slow. Line slow. Line slow.
It's okay, I care about that.
Line slow.
You guys like
Line
freaking me out
slow.
over here.
It's okay.
Just watch the
Line
runway,
slow.
forget the instruments now.
Line slow.
Keep your head up.
Line slow.
Keep head up, forget the
Line
instruments.
slow. Line slow.
Approaching.
Don't pump the runners, eh?
02.
That makes it worse.
Line slow.
Oh, it's like 80
it's-
years old.
It's windy, yeah.
Line
Come
slow.
right, and nose up. Nose up.
Line slow.
And
Right.
runway is there.
Runway's right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, so I thought it was that white thing.
No, that's the ramp where the
Oh.
airplane's parked. You don't land there.
Line slow. Line slow. Line slow.
Don't push the rudders though, eh?
Line slow.
Come right.
Line slow. Line slow.
Oh, man.
Line slow.
It's windy.
Line
Yeah.
slow.
Nose up.
Line slow.
Nose up.
Line slow.
Nose up.
Line slow. Line
don't
slow.
turn too much.
Line slow. Line slow. Line
That's
slow.
it.
Line
Let's
slow.
come left now a
Line
little bit,
slow.
slowly,
Line
slowly.
slow.
Approaching
Line
minimum.
slow. Line slow. Line slow.
Let it come over.
Line slow.
Good.
Line
Level it
slow.
out. Level
Line
it out.
slow.
Look up.
Line
Don't
slow.
look at the instruments,
Line
right?
slow.
Just
Line
look at the
slow.
runway.
Line slow. Line slow.
Right.
Line slow. Line slow. Line slow.
Right,
Line
all
slow.
right.
Line slow. Line
Forget the
slow.
instruments.
Line slow.
Don't look down.
Line slow.
I think
There you
we're ready
go.
for.
No, he's good. He's good. Let it settle.
Kind of slanted.
Let it settle. Lower the nose. Lower the nose just slowly. Slowly. Okay, now start pulling up. Pull up. Just pull up.
I think I'm gonna
Yes.
miss it.
You're good. You're good.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna
Yeah,
miss it.
you're good. You're good.
50, 40,
Nose up a bit.
20,
Okay,
10.
easy. Hold it. Let it down. Let it down. You're down. Okay, reverse. reverse thrust. Pull it up, Sergey.
3,000
Steer, let go of the wheel.
Oh, brake left?
Yeah, this, we got auto brakes there going and spoilers.
Yeah, we didn't arm the spoilers.
Approaching.
It wasn't pretty, but anything you walk away from, you can.
Caution.
It's a good
Short
one,
runway.
right?
Short runway. 2,000 remaining.
So this is what like pilots hear too, like all the time.
Well, you don't want to hear
always
glide
warning.
slope, glide slope, glide slope. I mean, you were low on the glide slope. If you're on it, you don't hear that.
Good job,
Oh,
Ryan.
yeah.
But you did very good, and that was gusty too.
That was it. Yeah, it kept on blowing around.
Did you experience the deficit of time? Or the time deficit?
Yes,
Or the attention deficiency?
I didn't realize how much time it took.
Yeah, that was cool, Ryan. Good job.
Yeah, that was great.
So you guys have still, what time did you start? 10 o'clock?
Right.
You still got 2 hours. You guys want to just take a little break for a few minutes?
I think it's a good idea, yeah.
Sounds good.
Okay. So we'll just leave it here. There, watch. You gotta get the back.
Oh yeah, I have to get the back.
It's easier.
And this guy goes over.
Yeah. You guys wanted to do that, you still want to do that airwork thing, or did he prove himself? You want to do that 30,000
Oh,
feet,
that's
or you want to do something else?